Hi, I'm Aqua with WTI, and let me tell you how to have the best day at Cumberland Island, Georgia. This is a amazing hidden gem off the coast of Georgia, and the only way to get to it is by ferry or boat. I took the ferry from St. Mary's to get here. It is about 45 minutes in length and a beautiful ride. The ferry will drop you off at the Dungeness dock. There you will follow the path underneath giant oaks covered in Spanish moss. Of course, though, the most amazing thing is the wild horses on Cumberland Island. There are about 150 of these horses living free on the island. Of course, we don't want to feed them or pet them. We want to admire them from a distance, but when you see them, it is incredible. As you continue to walk on the trail, you'll come to the Dungeness ruins, and they are what's left of a mansion built by the Carnegie family in the late 1800s. It burned down in the 50s, but what is left is really amazing. You're going to be doing a lot of walking this day. I walked about 16,000 steps, and I was so happy that I got comfortable shoes for this. These are by Nike. They're super comfortable for all that walking. I highly recommend bringing a refillable water bottle. They do have drinking water available to refill your bottle. Keep walking on the trail. You're going to come to the beach, and it is one of the most beautiful beaches I have ever seen, and you may just get to see a wild horse. This is just the most amazing thing to see, the wild horses on the beach, and the beach is so expansive, and really there's not a lot of people on the beach. You're going to feel like the island is yours. Have a lunch on the beach, enjoy the beautiful sounds of the ocean. You can find shells, enjoy the birds. It is so peaceful. Enjoy the beach, but also don't forget to bring sunscreen. I like this one by Banana Boat. It is waterproof in SPF 30. I like it because it's small, perfect for a day trip because you have to carry everything you bring with you. Also, don't forget bug spray. I like this Bug X30. It's a small size. I can put in my bag. Depending on the year, there can be a lot of bugs. After I stroll down the beach, there is another entrance to go to back to the dock. So I would go up to the Sea Camp trail, and that is going to provide you with these beautiful pictures of these trees. There is nothing like it I've ever seen. I thoroughly enjoyed this walk. Do not miss. One of the crazy things I did see that I was not expecting was an armadillo. So this island has tons of surprises, very unique, and a must go to. I thoroughly enjoyed my trip here. I would highly recommend to anyone, but make sure you do not miss the ferry. They are very prompt, and you will have to rough it if you miss the last ferry. I hope these tips help you to have the best day at Cumberland Island and you fall in love with it as much as I have. Please check out the product seen in my video below and subscribe for more WTI travel tips and amazing deals.